Welcome, future digital entrepreneurs. Are you ready to unlock the door to financial freedom this Black Friday? Imagine if you could build a profitable online business with just a few clicks. Sounds like a dream? Well, we're about to make it your reality. In a world where online visibility is gold, businesses are constantly battling for the top spot in search results. But here's the secret. Not everyone knows how to get there. That's where you, with the right skills, can capitalize. Enter the rank and rent business model, a strategy where you create, optimize, and rent out websites to businesses, offering them the online presence they crave while you enjoy a steady stream of passive income. Why rank and rent? Let's count the ways. Passive income, minimal overhead, evergreen demand, work-life balance, scalability, SEO ranking, in high demand. And this Black Friday, we're offering something extraordinary, a free webinar that will not only show you the fastest and easiest way to build rank and rent websites in minutes, but also unveil our exclusive 6-figure success blueprint we are rolling out for 2024. This blueprint is your roadmap to achieving significant income in the digital space. This is your golden ticket to a program completely designed for anyone with no experience to advance skills to use our proven fast-track system. Our expert-led webinar will guide you through every step of the process, ensuring you're ready to hit the ground running with strategies that are primed for success in 2024. Spaces for this exclusive Black Friday training are limited. Sign up now to secure your spot and take the first step toward your rank and rent empire, armed with our 6-figure success blueprint. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Click the link below and join us for a transformative experience. Your journey to financial independence starts here and now with our Black Friday free webinar. Let's make this Black Friday unforgettable and set the stage for a prosperous 2024.